Of 3 should be received by you shortly after you receive the shared folder to which you can contribute. The second one will also come from your instructor, and it will have your last name, first name. Instead of saying untitled spreadsheet, I predict that this will say something like blank AP writing template, and it should give you an invitation to edit. So go ahead and click here. And this is one that you will want to open up. And this is where your template for your actual writing will go. You can see that I already have a rubric down here, so don't pay attention to that quite yet. But when you first open up your template for the very first time, it'll look something like this. And of course, I'm not an AP English instructor, so I'm sure that the template that you receive will be much more in-depth and probably a lot more elaborate than this, but this is just an example of a template that you might get. So you would put in your name and what period you're in and all of the information that your instructor is asking for. The title of your paper, your thesis, body, and conclusion. And as you're writing, a copy of this has gone into that folder that I showed you earlier, so here it is. But also it's populating on a spreadsheet that you'll see in the next video. And everybody's writing will populate on that spreadsheet. That will help us later whenever we go to provide feedback on everyone's writing. But I did want to make you aware that everyone should be writing on a Google Doc that is sent to you via your email. You're not going to start just writing on any Google document. You're writing samples. Any sample that you write, regardless of if it's 1 or 3 that you're assigned from your instructor, please remember that you will always be provided with a template via your email, and this is what it looks like. So that's an explanation of the second email that you've been given.